we're going to do a quick room tour here at the Walt Disney World Dolphin. As you walk in, we have a little closet, an extra pillow blanket up here, some hangers, ironing board. We have complimentary waters. Have our little ice bucket here. A little Keurig here, Mr. Coffee. A little makeup mirror here. As we enter into the bathroom, a nice lighted mirror here. We have all of our essentials here with the body wash and shampoo, conditioner. Love the tile work here. That is sharp. Plenty of room under the sink for your towels. Lots of towels here. Doesn't look like you're going to have to ask for a towel. What do we call this?
Water closet.
A water closet?
Well, it's actually not because the shower's up there.
Right. But you do have the close-off shower. Toilet. Looks like a nice shower head too. Very nice shower. So we walk into the living quarters. Got our TV. Decent sized TV. I want to say it's maybe it's bigger than a 35, so I want to say 40 change. Got two, what size beds are these?
I believe they're doubles.
Okay, so it looks like we have two doubles. And these are the heavenly beds. First time we stayed here, I mean, basically went to bed and got up and almost missed our checkout. Felt like we slept for like ever. It was like 10:30 in the morning and it felt like it was 6 in the morning. That's how good we slept. And oh, love these mattresses. Nice. Very spacious. Have a chair over here. Have a desk here for when you have to edit your vlogs. I'm liking too, I'm seeing some USB ports here. Doesn't look like there's any over here with this lamp. And you do have the plug in. There's one right here. There's a port right here.
Oh, is there?
Yeah, there's one here. And we have the standard plugins here, so plenty of room to charge your technology. Pictures here. It's a great room. We ended up doing an upgrade. We originally had no view and a king, and we decided to upgrade to the balcony with two twins or whatever these are. Now this is the money shot right here. I mean, we're gonna take a look at this view. So this is our view right here. I mean, good sized balcony. You've got two chairs and a table, decent size. And then as you look out, not sure if that's Crescent Lake. We have there's a swan over there. Take a look. This is where the swan boats go out. That's one of the pools. I used to frequent this pool a lot because you can do laps and it's always quiet. Just a great, great, great pool. You can see Hollywood Studios in the foreground. There's Tower of Terror, Galaxy's Edge. We'll zoom in there. And there were times too they used to have these fountains actually shooting water. Now on the other side of this building right here is where their cabanas are and their pool bar. They have another decent sized pool there, and then on the other side is this humongous pool. It's a new resort they are building now. It's called the Swan Reserve. Show you a look in from our balcony now at our room. It's a great room.
Very serene.
You said it was very serene?